Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to voice chat with ChatGPT on your phone. If you prefer hands-free interaction, this feature will make your experience with ChatGPT even more seamless. Start by installing the ChatGPT app from the App Store. Once you have downloaded it, open the app. Once you are on the home screen, tap the microphone icon next to the text input field to begin voice chatting. You may be prompted to grant microphone access. Tap Allow to proceed. Now hold the microphone button and speak your question or request. Once you are finished speaking, simply tap on the tick button right here and again tap on the send button. For follow-up question, just press the microphone again and continue your conversation. To ensure accuracy, speak clearly in a quiet environment. ChatGPT will handle your requests, whether you are asking for information, drafting messages, or more. And that's it. Voice chatting with ChatGPT is quick, easy, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.